Okay, so it should be squishy. Okay, Pike Place Market, very well known for the elephant garlic. It seemed only fitting to do a video about elephant garlic since you guys really love the garlic confit video. There's the video right there, over 2.5 million views. Usually the elephant garlic is somewhere around there. I don't see it today. I'm trying to find some elephant garlic today.
Elephant garlic hasn't been available here at the market for a couple of years.
Okay, that throws a wrench in the video today. No, it's fine. I'll do regular. Yo, this is Kenji.
Hi.
He does really cool videos too. We just happened to stumble upon each other at the market. Still can't believe I found this parking space. Okay, got the garlic. The lady that used to sell elephant garlic to the market retired. I mean, you can't expect the lady to sell the garlic till she dies, right? So, kind of sad, I didn't realize this. But we still have some really nice garlic. It's totally fine, and I can show you how to do a confit on this. Okay, I've got my garlic. Now I'm gonna show you how I make it into squishy garlic, or I guess technically you would call it garlic confit. Typically I would recommend any neutral oil. I'm using rice oil. Okay, there's the garlic after 30-35 minutes. Beautiful. You like yours light or brown? You like yours light or brown?
Garlic?
Yeah.
That's a good color.
You like this color?
No.
Like caramely?
Yeah.
This thing is so cool. All that butter.
Gotta get crickets, man.
Why?
For a frog.
Oh. There we go. It's garlic bread.
Oh.
It's good.